Welcome to shoe time. This looks real good. This looks pretty good as well, considering where it's got to be and trying to keep the logo and make it all strong, and what the guy probably wanted to spend. This little stitching one, you can kind of see where we've stitched real bright, depending on the light. And here's where it used to be. And then the tension's gone a bit funny on the top. This is a piece of pebble beige, the thread that's been used in that one. This is pebble beige as well. I just spent 4 seconds with it on the polishing wheel, just going vertically, just there, with it going with one hand either end, and just do half a metre or something like that, and stitch it with that, and then you've got bang on the thread that you need. Sometimes I'd use just the neutral brushes if I just want a tiny amount, or the dark brown with a bit of extra wax on, or the black, but usually just, it's a less than 10-second improvement and it'll vastly improve that. Be good to go ahead for the practice and just redo that one. And then you've got the skill for when it comes to when it's critically important on real nice shoes. This one, rather than shortening the elastic, like carry on with whatever you've said to this customer and do it as you've said, but generally speaking, you're better to keep as much elastic as possible, because then you've got lots of give and take still. You're better off to shorten the strap, cut some off the strap and shorten that, but you just got to do the maths. While they're here, yeah, often best to unpick something and really work it out, but I know it is tricky, and if it's going to fit beautifully at this time of the year when it's cold, it's possibly not going to fit too well in summer. That's why you want to keep as much elastic as possible, then you're more likely to get it fitting nicely. It's bad design anyway. This is just asking for it to slip off the heel, especially with a slippery inside. That'd be better with a bit of suede on the inside of it. Great join and real nice finish on the edge. That's the look we're after, eh? No gap, no glue bumps, no holes. Just looks like it was like that from the factory. Like, it probably looks better than the heels. Okay, not in this case, but a lot of heels they poke out by a bit. And these heels, they look great too. They're just nice and just how they should be. So nice job all around, and good day of sales today. Email going out on the weekend, some Facebook ads. Catch up with you on Tuesday. Cheers.